Alright, from the relative spacing of the grid lines, I can tell this avatar is huge with respect to our Second Life rig. Now, I can see that there's an empty here, and that's bad news. I'm guessing the rig is parented to it. Let's go check. Relations, right there. What is that called? Alright. Might have to load this a second time. Let's just try and remove the parent and see if something goofy happens. We got lucky. So I'm just going to rescale this, and it won't let me. It won't let me. Wonder why. Alright, well, let's go look and see if we have anything. Any the transforms are locked or something silly. Where do we find those? Transforms right here. They are all locked. And we really only need the scales unlocked, so I'm just going to make it sort of... Oh, the reason why we're doing this right now is because we ran into a common problem where the avatar, the retargeted animation slides the avatar around, and it's because of location data, pelvic location data. It shouldn't happen after we just do this one thing. And I can delete my reference rig now and select the animation source rig, and we have animation on this apparently. Pretty long. Might have to split that up. Alright, well, we'll burn that bridge when we get to it. Character tools. I'm retargeting animation, and I need a map for that, and I believe this is MMD, so let's go see if we can find that. I haven't done that in a while. Miku dance. That looks like the one. And I'll just give it some distance and action, see if we get something usable. Not really. I need to fix the arms. We'll reset the stage here. Now you want to adjust the finger bones too. I'm only going to do the arms so that this has a chance of looking mostly decent. But you want to do the fingers, and that's in another video. So let's see if our symmetry works. No, it works in the opposite direction. So let's just get a frame of reference, which will be like, guess we can use that. We can use this as a frame of reference. It doesn't have to be perfect, and for the purposes of this video, I really should try to get perfection, but know that you want to get it close at least, so it's not too noticeable. Everything else looks okay. I'm just going to, this might take a little while, I'm going to set this as a reference pose, and I will pause the video because it could take a little while. There's another way to do this, but I'm going to use Bento Buddy tools, and I'm going to tell it to use the pose we just made, and I will say create reference. That actually didn't take too long, maybe 15 seconds or less. Surprisingly, there's a lot of data there. Alright, now we can go and retarget our animation. Again, action. and it should look a lot better. I'm going to focus in on the area here so we can get something visually sensible. Okay, it'll be around here, I guess. Alright, I'm not going to split the animation. The whole purpose of this video is to show how to prevent the pelvic slide, and we accomplished that. So I don't actually have to export this at all. You can see that the pelvis isn't sliding. It's not. If it is, it's not noticeable, and you can adjust that by scaling the rig a little bit more. And that's about it.